Namaskar everyone. Welcome again to BPS Convent School. Today we have discussed the next level of question of chapter 12th areas related to circle. Now exercise 12.2 question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Find the area of two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Exercise 12.2, question number 10. There have an umbrella and total number of ribs are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then each of ribs have 45 centimeter length. So then radius of the circle is 45 centimeter. So radius of circle is equal to 45 centimeter. Now we have to find the angle theta of two consecutive ribs. Total angle of a circle is 360 degree. Then each of two consecutive ribs are angle theta. So then angle between two consecutive ribs is equal to 360 upon 8. So then 4 times 180 times, then 45 degree. We have to find the area of two consecutive ribs. So then thus the area of two consecutive ribs is equal to, so that is the area of sector. The area of sector pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Then pi 22 upon 7 into radius 45 into 45 into 45 upon 360 degree. Now 45 to cancel 8 times. So then 22 into 45 into 45 upon 7 into 8. 8, 11 and 4. So 11 into 45 into 45 upon 28. So then 11 into 45 into 45, 20, 25 upon 28 centimeter square. Done? Now, question number 11th. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. Question number 11. A car has two wipers. Question number 11. A car has two wipers that do not overlap. And the length of wiper's blade is 25 centimeter each. Then also 25 centimeter, and the angle sustained the blades are 115 degree. So that angle are 115 degree, and that is also 115 degree. Find the area of find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So that is a sector of circle. Then that is also sector of circle. Then find the area of sector, and radius becomes 25 centimeter and subtended angle theta is 115 degree. So then since radius of the sector is 25 centimeter and angle subtended by the blade is equal to 115 degree. So then area cleaned by each blade is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So then is equal to 22 upon 7 into radius of the sector 25 into 25 into theta 115 degree upon 360 degree. Done. 22 upon 7 into 625, 25 into 25, 625, 5 to 20 third time and 5 to 72 time. So then 23 into upon 72. Done. So then now total area cleaned by both blades become 22 upon 7 into 625 into 23 upon 72 into 2 centimeter square. So 2 to 36, and you have to calculate this situation. Done. Question number 12. To one ship for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of sea over which the ships are warned. To a warned ship, warn the underwater rocks. That is underwater rocks, and that is warned ship and lighthouse. The angle sustained by the lighthouse is 80 degree, and the length of underwater rocks to lighthouse is 16.5 kilometer. According to question, find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. We have to find the area, that is lighthouse warned the area. So that is the area. So area of sector, the area of the sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. There have radius of the sector is 16.5 kilometer because that is a circle of a sector, and angle between the lighthouse is 80 degree, then that is the angle, subtended angle theta. So then 22 upon 7 into radius 16.5 into 16.5 into theta 80 degree upon 360 degree. 0 to 0 cancel, that is 4 time, that is 18, 2 and 9. So 22 into 16.5 into 16.5 upon 7 into 9 kilometer square. Kilometer square. That is the area of the sea over which the one. Now question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 is equal to 1.7. Question number 13. There have 6 similar designs. First we have to find the area of designing part, and after we have to find the cost of making this design. First we have to find the area of designing part. So that is the segment of the circle. That is the segment of the circle, and that is also segment. The total number of segments are 6. We have to find the one segment and multiply the 6 designs. So first, area of each segment is equal to area of each sector minus area of triangle AOB. That is A and B. The radius of circle is given by 28 centimeter. The radius of circle given by 28 centimeter, and that is the angle of theta. Find the angle of theta. Total angle of theta in a circle is 360 degree. So then total number of designs are 6. Then each sectors is sustained by 60 degree, because total angle in the circle is 360 degree and total designs are 6. Then each sector sustained angle is 60 degree. So then area of each sector pi r square theta upon 360 degree minus area of triangle ABC, because triangle ABC theta is 60 degree, then that is also 60 degree, that is also 60 degree. So then area of triangle, that is the equilateral triangle, then area of triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. So then 22 upon 7 into radius of circle 28 into theta 60 degree upon 360 degree minus root 3 upon 4 into 28 into 28. Now that is 4 time cancel, that is 7 time cancel, and 0 to 0, that is 6 time cancel, 6 to 3 and 14. So 22 into 4 into 14 upon 3 minus 1.7, root 3, value of root 3 1.7 into 7 into 28. That is the area of each sector. Now we have to find the total area of designing part. So then now total centimeter square. Now total area is equal to 6 into 22 into 4 into 14 upon 3 minus 1.7 into 7 into 28 centimeter square. Now we have to find the cost of designing part. So now the cost of designing part now cost of the design part is equal to each centimeter 1 centimeter square cost is 0.035 rupees, then total cost of designing part, so that is multiply by 0.35, so 0.35 into 6 into 22 into 4 into 14 56 upon 3 minus 1.7 into 7 into 28 centimeter square, rupees. So then 6 into 0.35 into 22 into 56 upon 3 minus 1.7 into 7 into 25 rupees. That is answer called rupees. Okay. Now the last question of the exercise 12.2. Question number 14. Tick the correct answer in the following. Area of a sector of angle P of a circle with radius R. The area of sector pi r square theta upon 360. You calculate that position. Question number 14. Find the area of sector of angle P. So subtend angle theta is equal to, given that subtend angle theta is equal to P and the radius of circle is R and radius is equal to R. To find the area of sector, area of the sector is equal to, we know that pi r square theta upon 360. First option A, P upon 180 into 2 pi r. P upon 180 into 2 pi r. That is wrong answer because r is, there have r is not square. Option B, P upon 180 into pi r square into pi r square. Pi r square p because that is 180, so that is also wrong answer. Option C, P upon 360 into 2 pi r, that is also wrong because r is individual. Option D, P upon 720 into 2 pi r square. 2 720, 360 time cancel. So then P upon 360 into pi r square. Then that is the right answer of question number 14. Okay. Now, next level of exercise chapter 12th, area related to circle. Next topic is area of combination of plane figures. Areas the combination of plane figures. Exercise 12.3. First we have to discuss the areas of some plane figures. Exercise 12.3. First, area of circle is equal to pi r square. Second, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. area of square is equal to side square, area of right angled triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height, and area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. Done. And area of sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360, and area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of corresponding triangle. Done. Now we have to solve the exercise 12.3. Question number first. Question number first. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure if PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, PR is equal to 7 centimeter, and O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Exercise 12.3, question number 1. O is the center of circle, and that is the point R, and that is the P, and that is the Q. Find the area of shaded region. First we have to find the area of semicircle. First, area of shaded region. So since area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR, then find the area of shaded region. So then area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR, that is the area of shaded region. First we have to find the radius of the circle. So now according to question, PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, and RP is equal to 7 centimeter. So then find the RQ, because that is a right angle triangle. So in triangle PQR, by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem, RQ is a hypotenuse, so then RQ square is equal to RP square plus PQ square. Then RQ square is equal to RP 7, so 7 square 49 plus PQ is 24 centimeter, then 24 square 576. So then 625 RQ square, then RQ is equal to 25 centimeter. So then radius becomes 25 by total, that is RQ is the diameter of circle, then radius of the circle is, so then radius is 25 by 2 centimeter. Now we have to find area of shaded region. So then area of semicircle pi r square by 2, area of semicircle pi r square by 2, and area of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle, then area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 base 7 into height 24 centimeter. So then 22 upon 7 into radius 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 2, 2, 12 time cancel, 12 7 ja 84. So then that is 11 time cancel, so 11 into 625 upon 7 into 4 minus 84 centimeter square. You have to calculate next situation. Done? Now again, area of shaded region is area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Then we have to find the radius of the circle, because they have not given to radius of circle. So then in triangle PQR, by Pythagoras theorem, RQ square is equal to RP square plus PQ square. RQ square is equal to RP 7, so then 7 square 49 and PQ square 576. RQ square 625, RQ is equal to 25 centimeter. Then RQ is a diameter of circle, then radius becomes diameter by 2, so 25 by 2. Now area of shaded region becomes pi r square by 2, because area of semicircle pi r square by 2 minus area of triangle PQR 1 upon 2 base into perpendicular height 24. Then you have to calculate that condition. Now question number second, find the area of the shaded region in figure of radius of two concentric circles which center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, and angle AOC is equal to 40 centimeter. Question number second. There have two concentric circle. There have two concentric circle with common center O, and points are A, B, C and D. Find the area of shaded region. Shaded region is that is the shaded region. So find the area of angle sustained by 40 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, and radius of the circles are 7 centimeter. Then OB is the radius of small circle, that is 7 centimeter, and OC is the radius of larger circle, 14 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region we have to find. Now first we have to find the area of sector OAC minus area of sector OBD. So then we have to find the area of shaded region. The area of shaded region is equal to area of sector OAC minus area of sector OBD. So then area of sector OAC, pi r1 square theta upon 360 minus pi r2 square theta upon 360, because radius are different. Now pi theta upon 360 is common, then r1 square minus r2 square. Pi 22 upon 7 theta 40 upon 360 into r1 14 square minus 7 square. Now 0 to 0 cancel, that is 9 time cancel, so 22 upon 7 into 9. Then a square minus b square, since a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So then 14 plus 7 and 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7, 7 to 7 cancel. So 22 upon 9 into 7, 14 plus 7, 21. that is 3 time cancel 3 time 3 and that is 7 time. So 22 into 7 154 upon 3 centimeter square. That is our final answer. Done. Now question number 3. Find the area of shaded region in the figure. If ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircles. Question number 3. Find the area of shaded region. A, B, C and D, and that is P. The length of the square is 14 centimeter, that is also 14 centimeter, and that is 14 centimeter, and that is also 14 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. Shaded region are that part of shaded region now. The area of shaded region becomes the area of square total whole square minus area of two semicircles. The area of total square minus area of two semicircle, we have to find the area of shaded region. So then area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of two semicircle. So then area of square side square minus 2 into area of semicircle pi r square upon 2. So 2 divided by 2 side square 14 square minus pi 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7. Now radius total, that is a semicircle, then that is a diameter of circle 14 centimeter, then radius becomes 7 centimeter because that is a diameter of semicircle. So then radius becomes 7 centimeter, then 7 into 7, 7 to 7 cancel, then 14 square 196 minus 22 into 7 154. So then 42 centimeter square is the final answer. That is the shaded region of question number 3. Okay, done. Welcome again to BPS Convent School. Today we have discussed the question number 4 in exercise 12.3. The chapter is areas related to circles. Question number 4, exercise 12.3. Exercise 12.3, question number 4. Find the area of shaded region in figure given below where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O n of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter is the center. OAB. OAB is a equilateral triangle. There have same sides are 12 centimeter, that is also 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter, and the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter. We have to call C and D. Now we have to find the area of the shaded region. So then area of shaded region are whole region of the figure, that is the area of shaded part. So area of shaded part is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle, plus area of major sector, that is the angle of 60 degree. Since that is the angle of 60 degree, then a angle of major sector becomes 300 degree. So then area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle OAB plus area of major sector. Area of triangle OAB plus area of major sector. Because area of OCD is included in triangle OAB, then we do not use whole circle. Now area of triangle OAB triangle is an equilateral triangle, then area of equilateral triangle is √3/4 side square plus area of major sector, pi r square theta upon 360. The angle of major sector is 300 degree, because that is the 60 degree and total whole angle is 360 degree. Then angle of sustained by major sector is 360 minus 60, then 300 degree. So then √3/4 into side square 12 into 12 plus pi, value of pi 22/7 into radius of circle 6 into 6, and sustained angle theta is 300 upon 360 degree. 0 to 0 cancel, 6 to 5 times, 6 to 6 times, 6 to 6 cancel, that is 3 time cancel. So √3 into 3 into 12 36 plus 22 into 6 into 5 30 upon 7. So then 22 into 36 60 upon 7 plus 36 √3 centimeter square is the final answer of the question number 4. Now question number 5 of exercise 12.3. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown figure. Find the area of remaining portion of the square. Question number 5.